wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So like 2 vlogs ago I posted a Sephora haul that I picked up, and I have some things that I got in PR. So if you guys want to see like a little Sephora haul while I test them out at the same time, then let's go. I didn't think to include the 2 things that I got in PR until, well, clearly I was halfway done with my eyes. So I tested out this new Urban Decay, this new Naked Urban Decay. It's like a half-baked palette. Look at the packaging of this, right? So look at the packaging and then tell me, after looking at the packaging of this product, if this is what you would expect the inside to look like. It might be what you expect the inside to look like, because these I actually expect that from Brightening. But this is what the inside looks like. I used pretty much the browns in here, and then I used a black from another eyeshadow palette. I feel like if you've tried a Urban Decay Naked palette, especially like the half-size ones, it works the same as those. Now y'all know I am a Born to Run palette stan, okay? It's not giving that. It's giving like the other Naked palettes. But the packaging of the product, even though what you need is the inside of the packaging, is cute. So let me move on to my face. I have 2 primers. I've already tried both, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, I've already tried both of them. The first one is the Milk Makeup. It's a new like mattifying primer. What is it called? Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. And the other one is the One Size Beauty Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. The Milk Makeup Primer, absolutely. Oily skin. Now someone had said if you use this and that Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm, your makeup's not going anywhere the entire day, and they did not lie. Those 2 together, you need that for the summer. Oily skin, if you are trying to wear a full face and have your face look exactly the same at the end of the day as when you left before the day, those 2, absolutely. By itself, it's still a good mattifying primer, but that's a hold your face is going to have. Like imagine, you would use Gorilla Glue to set your face. Don't do that. Don't do that. But you would get the same results if you use those 2 together. By itself, still a really good matte primer. Still, your makeup isn't really going to go anywhere. The One Size primer I used with the Danessa primer. I'm trying, like, it might really just be the Danessa primer, because I pretty much got the same results where my makeup looked flawless by the end of the day. But here has like magnet blur. This is more, like that gripping type primer. It does blur the face. Both of these primers do exactly what they say they are going to do. So I'm going to use both of them on my face right now. I have oily skin, so the Milk primer will be in my T-zone. Ooh, definitely took out like way too much. Still way too much. And then the One Size primer on the rest of my face. Oh, this is what the One Size looks like, and the Milk primer is a travel size. All right, hands just feeling real generous today. The Yummy Skin foundation has been and will continue to be my go-to foundation. Has it got, y'all, when I tell you I've been waiting for this sunburn to go away for, I want to say that event that I vlogged, the Melanin Mapped one, was like mid-May, somewhere around there, and I am still waiting for this sunburn from my watch to go away. So I got this LYS Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer in the mail. This is the shade DN3. I don't know if you guys saw, they came out with bronzing sticks, contouring sticks, something like that. But baby, I definitely have to check that out because the shades, okay. Oh, it's really watery, like really watery. Yeah, I don't like how watery it is, so I'm letting it sit on my face for a little minute, but the shade is nice. Well, let me blend it out first. So I finally got a complexion product from Makeup by Mario. It is the SoftSculpt Shaping Stick. Tasha said it was good. I got it in dark deep. I don't remember what it looks like. It's been a minute since I bought all of this. So, oh, this is the packaging. Comes with a brush. But this is what the actual shade looks like. Reference, this is the Thread Beauty stick that I've been using as a contour shape. You want to see the color differences. Ooh, ooh. I don't know, she's giving a tad bit. Can you see the product on my face right now? Because it's technically on my face right now. Okay, and the last thing I picked up is from One Size Beauty. It's the Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio. I got it in deep. I'll open it. This is what the packaging looks like, and the inside looks like this. Probably should have just used this. Actually, I probably will. Let me try it. Ooh, that looks real dark though. But let me try like a little bit of this on top of Mario. And I'm gonna use this shade to bronze. Ooh, okay, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Real easy with it, cause she's pigmented a little bit, just a little bit. Do the whole this side of my face without dipping it back in because ooh. And that is it for my face today. I feel like overall face is beat. Yes, but thoughts on these products individually. The two primers, absolutely. For the both of them, for two different reasons. One, because of its more, you know, matteness, and the other one because of the finish that your makeup has on top of it. But I'm going to continue using like one or the other with the Danessa Yummy Skin Balm as a primer. What else did I try that was new? The concealer. No, I don't know. I don't like it. I feel like yes, it did brighten, but I also feel like you could brighten with just using a lighter shade. And like any concealer that you actually like the formula of, it's the formula. I didn't like it. I don't like how it goes on, how it looked on. I'm not a fan. I don't know, maybe I'll see throughout the day as it wears on my face. Maybe I'll change my mind, but for right now, no. The Mario sculpting stick. Sculpting what? Did I say stick? Did I say stick? Sculpting stick. Blends in really nicely with the rest of your face. However, I feel like it blended in with the rest of my face because of the actual shade. I don't know, you know, I'll keep playing around with it, seeing maybe if it's just going to give like a softer contour sculpting look to the face. I don't know, or maybe I'll just have to like switch places, use that as a bronzer instead of a contour, because it does blend in nicely on your face. But you know, the shade. Patrick's bronzing trio. I don't know why I keep getting surprised when Patrick stuff is as pigmented as it is, because like look how Patrick wears his makeup, and that's not like a shady type way. It's very full coverage. It's very, he wants to be in your face. So I'm not surprised that his products are very pigmented, and you see the shades are shading, okay? The shades show up on my skin tone. So I like it, yes, but I think there is a blush version as well from his brand. I remember Jerry telling me she tried it out. So I'm gonna check out the blushes because this is very pigmented. So I'm assuming the blushes are going to be just as pigmented. The only thing with this, you know, is just, you know, start small and build up. don't go in there with the brush and then, you know, just get to build up the product on your face, and you'll be fine with that one. And I think that was it for what I tried, right? Yeah, so I liked pretty much everything that I tried on my face, you know, except the concealer. And the Urban Decay palette, you know, again, it's kind of like every other Urban Decay naked palette that you've tried. But yeah, that is it for my face. I did do the video the other day on new launches. There were a couple things. You guys said you wanted to see that Estee Lauder cushion foundation. I think there was something else in there too that you guys said you wanted to see. So I'm gonna, you know, oh, I do want to try out the LYS contour or bronzing sticks. There's a couple things that I'm interested in, so maybe there'll be another video like this soon. But that is it for this one, and those are my, you know, thoughts on the stuff that I picked up this time around. Let me know if you tried any of this, what you feel about it, anything you guys want to see a video on. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.